is missing? A knife, a fork, or a spoon?
Knife.
Knife is missing, right. Now, let's name this picture. Bear, chair, dresser. Which words rhyme?
Bed.
Bear, chair are rhyming, yes. And Ryan let go of 2 balloons.
Yes.
How many balloons is he holding now?
1, 2, 3,
4 balloons, that's right.
I'm 4.
You are 4. Look, bear and chair are rhyming, 4 balloons, and a knife is missing. You did all of them right.
Yes.
Are you proud of yourself? 3 more
Chair,
pages, then bear. They're rhyming. Look at this picture and tell me which one is fruit. Banana is right.
Banana. Do you hear this silly song? My banana. Stop. It keeps stopping and stopping every day. Do you hear
I'm
this
a
one?
banana.
Do you hear
I'm
this
a banana. Which one?
one? My potato.